In this episode, we are in the shop home, and we're looking at the Ariens ST824. All right, let's tear into it. Let's see what we could do. Now, I have taken this snowblower apart before, so I kind of have an idea what I'm doing. Well, let's do it together. So, first thing I'm going to do is take off this protection here. There's this flathead screwdriver here, or you could get it on those little small socket drivers. And there's one here. I'm gonna take that one off for my log splitter, which I have started to give up on. You know, I got a deal for my log splitter. I bought that Harbor Freight one. Usually it's like $300 something. I was able to buy it off my neighbor for like 50 bucks when she moved. It was brand new. I don't even think they split one piece of wood with it. But I beat the hell out of it in the last like 3 or 4 years. And now I'm having trouble with it. I saw a nice Honda powered one used on Marketplace for about 500 bucks. But right now my truck's down. I probably would have went and picked it up, but the truck's down. And that would have came in handy because I'm about to take a tree down in the backyard here. So we're going to pull that off. And as you can see, folks, there's nothing on this one. Shit, did I take them both? No. So there's nothing on this one. It's already off. Because that one just stripped down to shit. And I don't know what caught it up. Maybe it was just all old. But it started fraying. It was a mess. So I was able to get in there and pop it off, take it off. Because it was like super skinny. It was all destroyed. And then you got the one here. Hopefully I got the right belts. So let's disconnect this. Separate it. And we'll go from there. So the first thing I'm going to remove. You got to remove this. It's a 1/2 inch underneath here. When you put it back, make sure you align it all correctly or it's not going to work. And then we got, where is it? Got it over here. You see it. There's a 9/16 in there. We got to take that off. There's one on the other side. So let's do it. My toolbox is a mess. I don't even know. It looks like someone else was in it. I can't find half of my sockets. I have every socket you could think of. When I take this off, I'll tell you a quick story. No shit. One time me and my buddy went to the dump. Had to throw away a whole bunch of crap. He wanted to borrow my truck. Or went over with them. We went to the dump. And as I was at the dump, they just like, you know how our dump is, you throw it over in this selected areas, and then they'll come with the, they'll come over there with the bucket truck, you know, they'll pick up all the trash, and they'll transfer it to another container. Okay, this is off now. And basically, they just got done doing that, and when I'm throwing all the crap out of my truck, I look over, and I see, no kidding, folks, I see like 300 sockets laying on the ground. 300 sockets. I got over there. I went into the truck. I had like a hat or a helmet. I had a helmet for working, a work helmet. And that work helmet over there. And I just started picking them all up, throwing them in. I had Snap-on, Craftsman. Believe it or not, one socket could cost you $18, $19. They're all different sizes, all the way up, 21. Some are huge. I don't know what the hell or who got rid of them all and just threw them. But I picked them all up, took them home, cleaned them all up, and I have like 300 sockets, all different kind. All right, so I'll just tuck this up, let it hang there. I put the nut back on so I didn't lose it. And there's a washer, a lock washer as well. Now I'm going to remove this bolt here. 9/16, and there's one on the other side. So let me do that. we go. Wow. All right, maybe. What I did is I supported the back with a piece of 2x4 like so. It's because I believe when I let this one go, it'll probably separate. Yep, there it goes. All right. You fucking kidding me. This is a pain in the ass. There we go. I got it. There it goes. Alright. So, let me turn this. Put it like that. Alright, folks. So, basically, it was just those two bolts that were located here and here. Now, I put pressure on the back, lean up against the wall or something, because if I didn't, as I started loosening it, it would have started separating and making it very hard to remove that bolt. It came out no problem. Then you start taking the pressure off the back, it started coming apart. But down here, you see this, it's actually sitting in there like this. So you have to lift that up. I'll show you over here. See over here? See that? That is sitting in there like, so you're gonna have to lift up the front. It's not that heavy. And once you lift up the front, it separates. Now, once again, this thing wants to move on you. So you need to like chalk the tire. I got the generator preventing it from rolling right here. And I got the back end up on the bench. That's how I did it. Now, if you had the other belt on, when you started separating, it wouldn't have separated. You would have to lose the other belt. You pull down on the clutch up there. This will bring this back and forth. You probably want to take the brake off, and you would just work the belt off of the pulley here. It might actually get caught up. Now you're looking at it on the brake. If the brake is closed like that, it being separated by hitting the clutch, I doubt it would pull the brake. So you might have to manually open it, walk the belt off, and take the belt off. Now we got this belt. This is the transmission belt. So that's the auger belt. This is the transmission belt. I wish I knew what I did with it, because I would show you what it looked like. The auger belt was all stripped to shit. More than likely, the engine kept running and the snow got all clogged. I remember that last storm. If you go back and watch it, it got all clogged up, and it was probably just spinning, shredding the shit out of the belt. This belt doesn't look too bad. I could try to work it off. I think I'm gonna have to take this bracket off. I could give it a try. Let me take a look here. You know me, I'm trying not to have a headache here. Could I get that off? Am I doing this? What's going on here? Oh, there it goes. All right, got that off. Oh, it's got a lock washer. Boom. There's something on the back too. Oh, shit. Yeah, there's a washer on the back. Pain in the ass. Oh, wait. Oh, wait a minute. Oh, there we go. Maybe I don't want to take it all off. Probably still do though. Look at this shit. Maybe I could just feed it around so I don't take the other side off. I still gotta find a washer. Yeah, that doesn't look like it's gonna happen though. My back hurts. Alright, let me see. Let me take this off. I'm gonna need a, let's see here, let me see, 1/2 inch. There it goes. Ooh. See if I could try not to drop. Oh, what the hell was that? Man, I'm having Some bad luck. Dropping these washers on the ground constantly. Man, just stuck on over here. There we go. There we go. And to remove that, I definitely have to remove this. So let me see if I can get my... See if I could try not to drop that one. Maybe I could just loosen this. I'm gonna swing it. There we go. Maybe. Maybe. There we go. And there it is. Right here. 265999 OEM replacement belt. Now, this is going to be the fun part, isn't it? It's where they're all going to laugh at me. Hell yeah, they are. I don't even think. Let's see. How the hell am I going to do this? Okay. We know it goes here. And then where does it go? Might have to take this clip off. Really don't want to. There we go. All right, I just got some Gatorade. That's what you need. If you can't get this on, go get yourself some Gatorade. A little drink of Gatorade. I don't know. It seems like, oh, you can't get this. Oh, shoot. Why does it look so? Oh, get my finger stuck on something here. Come on. Oh, there we go. A little bit more. You get that way. Oh shit, that's tight. Shit, you see how close I am? Get in there. Don't hurt my finger. Oh, a little turn. Oh, a little bit more. Come on, baby. It's on there. Hang on. A lot harder than I thought. Oh, there we go. Maybe. Well, I got a cramp in my hip. Oh, watch my finger. Watch my finger. All right. We're golden. Oh, got a cramp in my hip. I worked it back on. So, there's your brand new transmission belt, looking sexy as hell. I guess I'll put this back. When I say that, it's again, you can see the bar here. You see the bar? See, there's a bar, and I'll show you some grooves here. Oh, where the hell are they? See the grooves? That groove goes onto that bar. Now, I might need another person to help me out, but I'll try to do a solo. And why you have it apart? I mean, if you're going to paint or anything like that, now would be the time to do it. Also, check out the pulley, see if there's any wiggle. Nah, that's on there solid. I don't feel. Let me see, hang on. All right, now the bushing there, the pulley's not solid. Everything's tight. There's two set screws in there. If there was any play or wiggle, but there isn't, I would go ahead and tighten up those set screws to lock it on the shaft real tight. It's a little play. That way it could be have play like that so the auger doesn't break. Or it could be needing some new bearings, but let me see. Oh, the brake's on. Hang on. Let's test it. Let me spin it. Take the brake off. I'm gonna say no. I'm gonna say this is. If I stop dragging the auger on the floor. No, it's smooth. Looks like it's good to go. Alright, let's put that pulley on, hook this thing back up. I want to paint it. hate to see it getting rusty like this, and I have some tractor paint and stuff. Maybe I'll hit that up. Let me put that pulley back on. Anyway, my second belt, I got the same thing as Stearns again. And this is Stearns 265-987 OEM replacement belt by Stearns. I don't know if I bought this from Amazon or I bought it from eBay. I bought them last year. And once again, I'm so busy. I've been putting it off. But here we are. Because snow is around the corner. All right, let's see what we can do. Oh, let's take that. Okay. Oh, more shit. Oh my goodness. Okay, let's see if we can do it now. Wouldn't be too much in the way here, but I hope this is the right belt. Alright, so I don't know if you're going to see this, folks, but down there, there's little grooves. They're sitting on the bar. These have to go, this has to go inside there. Only way to do that was to drop the back down further, so when I put this in and lock it into the bar, now if I pick up the front or maybe the back, this will now go over. What's happening, if I had this straight up, these were trying to go over this. You want this over the front. So let me see what happens. But I think we're on the right path here. You know, I know. Ow. Oh, yes. Guess what, folks? The damn bolts over there, though. Let's see if I can get my 2x4 back in. All right. Let's see. All right, I think I got it now. So if I, nope, gotta lift the back. There it goes. Lift the back and screw that in. Perfect. Another bolt's holding the back together. Get the other side in. Maybe. What the f? Let me go look. Let's see what the hell's going on over here. Alright, so that side lined up fine. This looks. No, I could get it. Let me screw this back on here somehow. Now we're going to come over and tighten these bad boys up. We'll do the same for the other side. Bring it around. I'm going to grab it, tighten it up. Oh, my arm can't do that. Oh. Snug them up. You don't have to go crazy. This pulley that I took off right here, this is the tension pulley. So if like you come up here and you pull on this, that's going to push it down. Sometimes when the belt starts to stretch out, see how it goes like that? Sometimes when this belt starts getting too much play, it's old, you might have to adjust this. Right now I have it all the way adjusted that way. Keep it tight because the belt is new. The problem is I don't think I can get that on now. I need to back that off a little. So I'm going to do that real quick. Get it down there. There we go. Just got to get this side up. Come on. Work with me here.
Get in there. There you go. Almost. There you go. There you go. Fried it up. It's down. Now I would snug this up. Alright, we'll pop this door, see if I could turn it over and see if it's engaging. The pull string is. That is your belt change, and that's all I got for you on this one. Hope it helps you, and I'll try to edit together so I don't have that much cussing and it's not super long. So thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe button. My main content on this channel is my cabin build and living off grid in Vermont, part-time off grid at this time. And But I always try to do small engine repair, stuff like that too. All right, thanks for watching, folks. Hit that subscribe button, hit notification bell, do all those things. Thanks for watching. I appreciate everyone. Peace.